feet massager. This one is very cool, very good actually. It's called Power Relaxer. It has high speed, middle speed, low speed, off and on. So you put your 2 feet here, and this one will kind of rotate this way slowly, and then goes by the speed setting here. This one, it's all plastic. It works on AC power, 120 volt, and here's the sticker in the back. Yeah, so it's 120 volt, 60, and made in China, and yeah. So this is very cool though. All those those massagers, I'll put link description down below so you can check them out. So we'll try this one and see how it works. First, I'm just gonna show you how. So when you press on and nothing happened. So wait, when you press low, see, it takes few seconds and then start. This is the low setting, low power. Same thing, medium power, and high power. Off and stop. So when you press, it takes few seconds to turn on. Okay, so we'll see how this one works. So once you sit your both feet on like that, turn on. We'll start with low. Medium. And high. So basically this will make your both foot relax really good, as you see here. But do not use over like 20 minutes or so, because it will make your both feet kind of numb, or your legs will be numb. And so it's just use it if you walk long time, especially for like older people, when they have kind of pain on the ankles or in foot here somewhere. You can just use it and you'll feel very relaxing. So this will relax all the way to your entire leg. So now you can sit, use it, or you can like if people not heavy, about like 140 pounds or so on, not very heavy people, they can even stand on it. Now this one, we're gonna start it if someone walking. I see it's better to sit, and much better, much easier, much comfortable if you sit. You see. So you can turn it the other way if you want. You can place your foot here and then low. And you can, my son is about like 10 years old, so he can stand on it like that. And you can see how good this machine is. You see? If you go to medium setting, and high setting, So if you sit, as like heavy people, it may not work for them, but light people, kids, and so on, lightweight people, it can even sit on it. It's better to sit. As you see, here is you see, it gives you much better relaxation for all muscles in here. So this is the low setting, medium setting, medium power, and high setting. So pretty much it can be massage all entire legs, all the way, as you see, pretty much all over. And that's why it's called relaxer, power relaxer. It gives you much relaxation for both legs and muscles, foot, knees, ankles, and thighs too, besides the thighs. The best setting is though the medium setting power, and the low one. The low is also good. You see? It's a great machine, good to have actually. You'll find the link description below, more details about this power relaxer. We'll go on to the next one and see what the next one will do.